Hi guys, I hope everyone's doing good. So in today's video, I want to chat to you guys about Zomedica, so ticker symbol ZOM. So this will be an update video. So from my last video, the share price broke that 61% Fibonacci retracement line. So what does this mean for the stock and the share price? So in today's video, I'm going to address what I believe is going on with the share price, both from a price action point of view and also looking at any fundamentals that could directly affect the share price. But before I get into today's video, check this out. This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to get 2 free stocks valued at $1,850, check the link in my description box below. Welcome back to Investor Prime TV. David here. If you're new, this channel is a one-stop shop for anything investment. So investment ideas, investment discussions, stock picks, when to get in the market, when to get out. So make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and of course hit that notification bell so you don't miss any further uploads. With that being said, let's get this bread. So if we have a look at the chart of Zomedica Corp, as you can see, the share price recently broke the 100 period moving average. However, the bulls brought the price back up in the form of a bullish engulfing pattern. And in the most recent session, the session of the 15th of April, the bears brought the price back down. So right now, I believe this moving average, although it was serving as a support before, because the share price is below it, it's now acting as a resistance. So this could potentially be the start of a bearish move. But right now, the share price is close to a good support at 85 cents. So this support was a base being built, which effectively led to the bulls breaking out of this bull flag. So seeing as the share price broke the 100 moving average and is close to a support, so we'll have a look to see if there's any other dynamic supports or any other supports within the area. So if we have a look at the 200 moving average, so technically on the 200 moving average, so this is data for the next 200 days or data for 200 days. As you can see, although the share price has been falling quite rapidly, however, the trend technically is still up. So guys, first of all, we'll see what the share price does around this support of 85 cents. So if this support of 85 cents holds, then I believe the share price could potentially go back up to retest the 100 moving average. And if this is the case, this would be a very good signal that there's a lot of bullish activity around this support. However, from a fundamental point of view, Zomedica are trying to go from a distribution-based sales to a direct sales. So what this basically means is that they're looking to cut out the middleman. So instead of having a distribution center sell their products and they pay a fee, they're now actually looking to sell the products directly. So that means there will be a one-to-one relationship with a customer. So the customer goes to them straight. This will be great for the business because what this means is that one, they're cutting out the middleman, which means that cut out some liability. So that means that they can bring the money back into the company to reinvest into the company. And two, they will effectively have more of a direct relationship with their customer. And guys, what you need to remember is that Zomedica recently commercialized the product, the TRUFORMA product. The product is new to the market. So once Zomedica as a company establishes themselves in the market, it starts getting feedback and getting more customers for their product, then they'll have a much better presence as a company. So that means that more people will know them, more customers will be coming. And what this ultimately means is that this will be great for the business because that means the company will be growing. And ultimately, most important for us investors is that the share price will start to rise. So the case with a lot of good fundamental news is that you generally don't see the effects of this on the stock price immediately. This usually takes weeks, months, even years to manifest. However, right now, the price action for Zomedica is similar to BNGO, is similar to Genius Brands, even though those companies as well have been having good news, etc., good fundamentals behind them, the price action is similar to them. So this basically shows that the market right now is very volatile. There's a lot of red days, which also shows that the market overall is volatile. So just because there's a couple of red candles for a stock doesn't necessarily mean this is a bad thing for the company or the company isn't a solid company. So this is where you decide what kind of investor or trader you are. Alright, are you looking to hold the short term, mid term or long term? From the get-go, you understand why you're getting into a play. Okay, you understand the company, the background of the company, what they do, you understand the product, and you also understand the competition within the market because every company in a sector, they have competition. So you need to understand, do they have anything that makes them stand out to their competition? Do they have anything that will drive people towards them? It could be work ethics, it could be company values, it can be company strategy, who they've got on the board of directors, could even be all the way down to who their janitor is. These seem trivial, but these actually affect the share price of a stock. So if you enjoy the content that I put out on Zomedica, then make sure you guys subscribe and of course hit that notification bell so you don't miss any further uploads I do of Zom. If there's any stocks or companies that you want me to have a look at, then make sure you guys comment the tickers below. And if you like to support the channel, then you guys can sign up to my Patreon. The link is in the description box below. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.